you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Instagram, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card details, including the expiration date and billing address, are entered correctly. Step 2. Update payment information. Go to your Instagram settings and navigate to the payment section. Update your payment information if necessary, ensuring that all details are accurate and match those on file with your bank. Step 3. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using the Instagram app, clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find Instagram and clear the cache, then restart the app. Step 5. Reach out to Instagram support. If the problem persists, reach out to Instagram support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and they may be able to help you resolve the payment decline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of repeated payment declines on Instagram. If the problem continues, consider exploring alternative payment methods or seeking further assistance.